Oh, hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to another Unturned video. It's not Minecraft, it's Unturned. It looks slightly similar, but it's not. See, there's a difference. A big difference. See, it's blocky, but it's not Minecraft. Okay, so I found this really cool boat, and I need to find the some person. I don't want any quests right now. I'm not seeking quests. Yeah, did we do the parkour? No, we didn't. We didn't do the parkour. I'm a little scared. A little scared. Uh, this means I have to go. Oh, those little bubbles are breathing. Does that mean I have to go all the way? I do. Oh, dang it. That was good. There's some injure. Didn't. Okay, I cannot speak. Some ginger ale. Ale. Okay, so we got a, and there's a little lighthouse right there. Let's get up here. Okay, where's the captain? I need to find some captain. Who are you? Wallace. Her. I think it's pirate. Any luck? The usual small ones. Oh. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. I need to find this captain. This captain. Okay, we got a barbecue here. And a bench. Nice. Okay, we got... Don't point no gun at me, buddy. Welcome aboard. You should probably go talk to Captain Sydney on the bridge. Okay, so where's the bridge? Someone tell me. Is that the bridge right there? Are you Sydney? You don't look the... Do you need any pilots? Ooh. 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 Okay. Nice to know. I got some jobs. Okay, this is a fuel reserve. It's a jet. This... Whoa. The other night I saw Major Land load supplies into a dinghy looking like he was up to no good. Who are you? Get off this. We got a creepy person. Hey, you. You. We need help. We need help. I'm very happy to be aboard. Okay. So the bridge is got to be right here. If it's not, then I just don't know. Okay. Okay, thanks. Okay. Anyone here? Nope. Wait, whoa. What? Oh, these are books. Books, I see. There you go. Ah, hello. I heard there was someone new on board. I'm Captain Sydney. Um, yeah. In charge of this vessel and aiding any survivors we come across. You're one of the first we've met. What's your name? Okay, pleased to meet you, Miss Lay. You're welcome aboard. Just keep in mind, you're back in society, so don't try to pull anything illegal. Okay, we're part of an international force formed into wake of the outbreak called the. I don't know what that is. Our mission here is to rescue as many survivors, like you, um, like you, mm, sorry, as possible, and unite to reclaim our home. Anything to report? Huh. Sorry, but we don't recruit enzymes. Oh no, this is sight unseen. If we notice you helping out around, there's a place for you in our ranks. However, come to think of it, we're looking for someone to spread the word of our presence here. If you're interested in to give a hand talk, okay, with my first mate Lawrence. Yeah, you have two mates. Okay, sorry. Anything to report? Nothing. Okay, are you the first mate? Okay, keep up the good work, Meester. Okay, keep up the good work. I'm guessing you're probably the same type of person. Who are you? Good to have you with us. I've got. Ooh, I'll take a look on air. Commander Lawrence wants to get the Russian radio towers working again to broadcast to any survivors still out there. You'll need a toolkit, which he says Natalie down in the engineering can provide. Okay, get the. So go to. Okay. Okay, I got this. Who and where is Natalie? Who are you? Oh, he doesn't look too happy, now do ya? Huh. Nah. I'll do that some other time. Okay, stop. Decline. Not right now. Thank you. Okay, can I open this? Okay, just close that. Sell nothing. Now, who's Natalie again? No, not you. Not you. It's like pitch black out here. It's nice. Okay, we need to find Natalie. Are you it? Oh, you're Vicky. Okay. Let's see. Ow! Ooh, it's missing a power source. I don't like that. Okay, well, you're missing a power source. Is Natalie this girl over here? Are you Natalie? No, you're Jolene. I feel like I saw Natalie somewhere. Someone named Natalie. Oh, when are the meal times? We serve breakfast. Don't know what that is. Oh, I kind of know what that is. Okay. Okay, okay. Hello. I help. Okay, you help him? Are you Chef Leonard? Okay, hello. Where do you get your supplies? Nah. Okay, what's in here? Is this where they get their supplies? Gonna just take a look, just real quick. Wait, can you actually run sinks? Can you run them? No? Okay. Just wondering. Okay, so you're the... I forgot your name. You're a boy, I think. Wait. Yeah, you're a boy. Okay, who are you? You're Sam. Okay. Okay. Oh, you guys playing checkers? I wanna play. Huh. That doesn't... I'm not a fan of how the lights just went kinda, see, like... The lighting is changing a lot. Okay, I'm out of here. I'll just close that for you. Hey guy, you're not Natalie. Okay. Oh, are you Natalie? No, you're Dr. Swanson. Who are you? Patient, another... Okay. Patient there? No. Okay, bye. Okay, we should leave the doors opened that we go in. So, leave that open. Leave that open. What time is it? Okay. That wasn't the appropriate song. You're Natalie? No, you're not Natalie. Okay. If you're not Natalie, I don't need you. I'm sorry. Cook, please. Are you Natalie? No, you're Franklin. I don't even know anymore. Are you Natalie? Uh. Uh. Um. No, that says prisoner and you have a knife. So, I'm leaving you. I don't want to be your pal, really. I don't want to see. I don't want to see. How much money do I have? I kind of want a snowball. No, no, I just... Don't pull out your knife. I'm watching you. I'm making sure you're not running up the stairs right now. Trying to chase after me. That guy's scary. Officer. Not sure about him. He doesn't seem to... Oh, no, 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 no. You... Okay, Natalie. Natalie, are you Natalie? Oh, hey, Benny. Peace out. No. 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 Okay. I don't think your name's Natalie, because I already talked to you. This trash. Ooh. Okay, this door. Nothing to see here. Following the rules. Oh. Why are you in jail, by the way? It's just a Just a quick question. Bye. Okay, we'll leave you open. Okay. Are you Natalie? I don't like the sound of that. Are you Natalie? Yay, it's Natalie. Okay. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna start reading the text out loud. Okay. Goodbye. Okay, fix the southern broadcast tower. Where is that? Quick question. Hello. Bye. Hi, chefs. Hey, buddy. Okay. Should I go to the lighthouse? Get back up. Okay. I'll be right back, guys. I'm just gonna go. Don't go anywhere. Just gonna go check out that lighthouse right there. Oh, my ears kind of itchy. Okay, I've just exited the safe zone. Sounds a little scary. It's kind of boring. Oh, come on. Wait, are people able to go inside that, or did I just come here for nothing? Oh, please. Okay, so you're a zombie. I don't like zombies, by the way. No, that's just a chair. Okay, it's not a zombie. Ah! God, that scared me. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here if I die. Ah! I was doing so well. Oh, that sucks. That sucks a lot. Ugh. Okay, well, I hope you guys liked watching this video. Please spam that like button. So, yeah, just spam the like button and make sure to spam that subscribe button. Not meaning you subscribe and unsubscribe multiple times and then leaving it on unsubscribed. But subscribe. So, thanks for watching and bye-bye.